Video about cryptocurrency. In today's segment, we will be taking a closer look at Litecoin, also known as LTC. Currently, Litecoin is ranked at number 12 in terms of market capitalization, with a value of approximately $6.11 billion. Over the past 24 hours, it has experienced a trading volume of around $243 million today. We will be discussing some intriguing price action for Litecoin, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Without any further delay, let us shift our focus to the chart for Litecoin versus USD on the 4-hourly time frame. For this analysis, we will be using Coinbase as our data source, as we have observed there is a compelling case for a bullish outlook on Litecoin, primarily due to the fact that the bulls have managed to hold the level of 82, specifically $82.25. As long as the price of Litecoin continues to hold this level, our bullish sentiment remains intact. In fact, we may even witness an impulsive push towards the 200 EMA at the 88 region. This potential push could result in a 6% increase in value for Litecoin. However, it is important to note that we should anticipate some consolidation in the near future, possibly continuing until the weekend. When we look at the signs, we can see that Litecoin is currently consolidating around the zero line. This consolidation phase could last until next week, before any major breaks. Everyone, good morning, and welcome back to Linux Crypto. I hope everyone is doing well. And I'd like to give a warm welcome to this new video on Shiba Inu. Today, we have an exciting update to share. There has been a huge increase in bullish momentum recently. Personally, I didn't expect such a huge uptrend, especially after yesterday's big drop below 900, but there were still signs that a positive outcome was possible, such as the 50 EMA. Still, the amount of bullish momentum we've seen can be attributed to the overall bullish trend in the market, especially Bitcoin's recent rise. Of course, the fundamental factors that support Shiba Inu's bullish trajectory can't be ignored. When the market as a whole and Bitcoin in particular become more bullish, coins with strong fundamentals tend to get an extra boost, which is exactly what we're seeing now. Before getting into the details, Bitcoin is showing strong bullish tendencies as it tries to break out above the 29.850 support level again. I'd like to take a moment to say that I have my own premium trading group where I share all of my trades and analysis. Although I don't have any active trades right now because the market is changing direction, you can still benefit from my detailed training guides and exclusive traders community. If you're interested, click on the link in the description. When it comes to Shiba Inus, things are looking up, but there are a few things that need to be talked about. First of all, the trading volume is currently around $400 million, which is a lot less than the volume at the recent peak, which was around $900 million. For a bullish breakout and more gains, we would ideally need to see a rise in volume, preferably above $600 million. While this is possible, our main goal right now is to break through the key level between 1,985. A break up top this level is important because it's the same as the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level in terms of where the price is going. I think it is very likely that Shiba Inu will hit 1120, but this is not yet confirmed. To reach this goal, we expect to test the resistance around 1020. If we could break above this level, it would take us straight to 1120. But it's more likely that we'll hit resistance around 1020 before we finally break through. If that happens, we'll need to see if we can find support and stay stable at the 985 and 1000 levels. If we can keep these levels, it will make it more likely that we can break above 1025 and finally get to 1120 and 1160. The most likely thing to happen is to break above 1020 and go past the important milestones of 1100 and 1120. However, it's important to be aware that there could be support and possible movement down below 985, especially if Bitcoin has a downward trend toward 29,000 as well. Even though this is not a sure thing, it is important to be ready for anything in the volatile and uncertain market. We have some hope for a possible bullish rise for Luna Classic right now. The recent passing of bills and the rising price of Bitcoin could lead to a break above the main support level of around $8,000. If this happens, the price of Luna Classic could go up to $8,300 to $8,400, but it needs to happen in the next 48 hours for it to matter. If it doesn't, Luna Classic might not be strong enough and the price could fall to $7,500. One thing to keep in mind is that Luna Classic is not a real coin. The analysis and information in the transcript may not be correct or relevant to any particular cryptocurrency. Before making any investment decisions, it is always important to do thorough study and talk to experts. Some hope for a bullish breakout in Luna Classic, especially if Bitcoin keeps going up. If Luna Classic can break above the main support at 8,000, we could see a rally to 8,300 or 8,400. If this doesn't happen in the next 48 hours, though, it could mean that Luna Classic isn't strong enough and that the price could go down even more, to 7,500. Overall, the market structure is still bearish for now, but there are some possible bullish factors to consider first. Some recent proposals have passed, such as the return of unused community funds and the burning of 100 of those funds. While these may not have an immediate effect on the price, it's good to see governance in action. However, the most important factor for Luna Classic's price movement right now is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues its bullish momentum and breaks above $30,300, there is a chance that Luna Classic could break above its main resistance level of around $8,000. This could cause a rise up to $8,300 to $8,400. To support this bullish scenario, Luna Classic must close above the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame within the next 48 hours. If it doesn't, it could mean that Luna Classic isn't strong enough and may continue to trend down towards $7,500. Overall, Luna Classic could have a bullish rise, but it depends a lot on how Bitcoin does and how the price moves in the next few days. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. Today, we'll take a look at Litecoin, or LTC, which is currently ranked 12th and has a market capitalization of about $6.11 billion. Litecoin has been doing some very interesting things lately, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Seeing doji candles close above this level could be a sign of a rising correction. But if the price falls below this point, it could go down to $29,250. On the other hand, if BTC can break through the barrier at $30,200, it could move up to between $30,600 and $31,000. It's important to keep in mind that the areas between $29,800 and $30,200 are very important. Any possible moves below these levels could mean that BTC is headed in a downward direction.